Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Jensy V. I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos just for you. So today, as you can see on my title, I am gonna be showing you guys how to get clear skin. But before we can get a clear skin, we have to understand why we get. I used to have a lot of pimples when I was a teenager, but of course when I started changing my lifestyle, eating habits, washing my face, it all changed my life. So first, we are gonna learn what is pimples. What is pimples? Or what is acne? So acne is a skin condition that occurs when your hair follicles become plugged with oil and dead skin cells. It is also known as zits, pimples, or spots. But you mostly get it during puberty stage, but can happen at any age or during hormonal changes. Teenage years, menstruation period for women, and these evil ones can show up on your face, your back, your chest, and your shoulders. And these are your sebaceous glands in your skin. A small gland in the skin which secretes a lubricating oily matter or sebum into the hair follicles to lubricate the skin and hair. Now let's point out the causes. Now pimples appears because of your pores getting clogged by dead skin cells and sebum. Sometimes this leads to infection and inflammation. It is largely unknown why it still affects largely on most people than others. These are some factors that causes acne. Bacterial infection, inflammation, excess oil production, hair follicles by oil and dead skin cells, and it may worsen by your hormonal changes like your puberty, your certain medications, drugs, diet, like every affordable food out there, stress. Stress doesn't cause acne, it's just that when you already have acne, it can worsen it. And let's go into complications. Scars and skin changes. Let's talk about scars. Pitted skin or acne scars and thick scars such as keloids. These can remain longer on your skin even after your acne has already been healed. Even after the skin has been healed, the affected skin may be left hyperpigmented or darker, or hypopigmented or lighter than before. Now let's talk about the risk factors of getting an acne. Age, mostly on all ages out there, but it's common in teenagers. Hormonal changes such as puberty or during pregnancy stage. Family history or genetic, maybe your parents or grandparents has it and they got it really bad, so they passed it on to you. Pressure on your skin, like wearing helmets or masks, dirty masks, tight on collars, having your phones all the time on your face and they're dirty, and so bacteria gets on your face and they're really oily, greasy, all of that. And the last thing is oily or greasy products such as lotion or creams. So I will be linking all the sources down below in the description box so you can check them out yourselves. So overall, just maintain your healthy diet. Whatever you intake is, I think, the 90% of why you're having skin problems. Or of course, genetics as well. You have to take care of yourself. It always affects the outer part of your body if you don't take care of your inner part of your body. Maintain what you eat, you exercise, sleep enough. At least always have the number one thing in your list is to have peace of mind. I can show you guys what I use for my skincare routine and what I eat every day to have a good, healthy lifestyle. Now, of course, I want to know what's your favorite skincare products that you use every day to keep your skin healthy. And of course, we all have different skin types out there: oily, combination, dry skin. So we're all different, and different products works for all of us. And if you guys have any suggestions for me to do, just comment down below or message me privately. And of course, thank you very much for watching till the end, and I'll see you on my next one.